Hi, my name is James Browne and I'm the Minister of State for Law Reform at the Department of Justice. And since my appointment last September, I've been working on the new Youth Justice Strategy, with the aim to reduce the amount of crime carried out by children and young people in our society. There are approximately 1.2 million children in Ireland today, and about 10,000 of those come into contact with our youth justice system in any one year. And even that figure is a reduction on the numbers that were getting into trouble up to about 10 years ago. However, we are now determined to tackle those 10,000 and the hard-to-reach cohort within that group. And that's what our Youth Justice Strategy is all about. It's about putting in measures that strengthen prevention and early intervention that target those children and young people who are coming into contact with criminal networks. To put those supports in place, not only for them, but for their families and for their communities. To redirect their energy away from criminal activity and into more positive actions, which is not only good for them, good for their families, but ultimately will make all of our communities safer. Thank you.